Okay, what you doing, girl?
Reading.
You reading?
Mm-hmm.
You going pee-pee on the potty?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, babe. Did you go pee-pees?
Mm-mm.
You have to go? What do you need?
Can you give me a minute?
Give you a minute? Yes, I can give you a minute, cutie.
And
Call me when you're done if you need help, okay? Love you.
five.
Proud of you. Hey guys, we are officially settled into our new home. Just had a lot of transition and traveling and moving, resettling, and it feels good to have another home established. But I just wanted to hop on here real quick and talk about some potty training tips because we are at it again, third time, and just wanted to share what is working. If you are in a place that you're thinking about getting started soon, or you've started and stopped, it's been pretty much similar for all of my girls, and I wanted to just share a few tips that work. So here we go. My first tip is do not start until your baby is ready. You might be ready, but your baby has to be ready. So with Summer, my first baby, you know, all the first babies, it's the same. You're just like goals hit, you know, maybe you're not, but that's typically how first babies are. You know, at 2, I'm like, she's gonna be in a big girl bed, she's gonna be potty trained, she's gonna have no more pacifier. Like, I was just full on with the goals, and I have so grown and changed over the years, and just seeing how much that just is not realistic and practical or best for my babies. Like, they may not be ready, and that's okay. So you know, with Summer, I started her right when she was 2. I think it was like the day she turned 2. I was pregnant with our second baby and was just like, I'm gonna get this done. She's gonna be potty trained, out of diapers. I'm not gonna have to worry about this once our second baby is born. And she just wasn't ready. It wasn't the right timing. She was just not even sure what we were doing. And I had to stop. And so from that point, I learned only to start when they're ready. And I had a few other moms tell me the same: do not start until they're ready. So from there, we did, you know, we just started to make her more aware of it. We bought some books on potty, you know, going to the potty. Daniel Tiger has on YouTube a few great videos just about, you know, the songs that go with potty. We just started to make her aware of the potty. We bought a little potty, we put it in the bathroom. We would just start to talk about it with her. So that's my second tip. Just start to make it fun and make them aware of what potty is before you even start potty training. And then you'll notice, you know, over time that they are starting to get excited about it. They're starting to know what it is. You're going potty in front of them and you're saying, you know, mommy's going pee-pee, and those kind of things. Those things really do help and work. When they are ready, for sure, that's when you start. And third tip is just this: when you're ready, when they're ready as well. You know, we just got resettled from moving and had to unpack and reestablish a home. So I was not ready this past little round. Luca's our third now, and she's the one that we're potty training. But you have to be ready and they have to be ready. That's point number 3. So start when you're ready and they're ready. And when you do start, you have to be ready to just kind of lock down for a week or 2 at the house, you know, minimal clothes on, undies on, so that way they can learn, you know, when they have an accident, that there's something that is going on. You know, they're going pee-pee, they're starting to get aware of what's going on, you know, in their body and when they go. And so, you know, just locking down and allowing just time for them to learn it. And you just want to make it fun. You want to encourage them. If they do go, you want to, you know, make a big deal out of it, cheer for them, give them a little treat, help them to know, oh my goodness, you went potty, like, you're amazing. You know, just make those moments special, and just keep talking about it. Keep reminding them that if they have to go, they've got to go potty. I move the potty. Like, if we go play outside, I'll take the potty with us and I'll say, okay, baby, if you have to go potty, you know, before we get in the bath, I'll say, do you have to go potty, baby? You know, just constantly talking about it and making it a part of our day where she feels comfortable, you know, knowing that when she has to go, she has to stop and go potty. So yeah, those are my tips. Take it easy on them. Take it easy on you. It's not about comparison. It's not about who's achieving what when. Nobody's got time for that. I know I don't. And so, just be gentle on yourself, be gentle on your babies, have fun with it. They'll get to it at a certain point. They won't be in diapers forever. So I hope that encourages you, and good luck with your potty training.